I know I can be what I want to be. If I work at it, I can be what I want to be. Be boys and girls.
Push me on the line.
My name is Ibrahim Hamud. I am an athletic coach at Hillingdon Athletics Club. We normally take part in the London Youth Games, the National Cross Country Finals, young athletes road relays and senior, road relays. I volunteer my time to put something back into the community. Along with the Somali teenagers, they are very highly talented in these sports. All they need is to be motivated, someone to motivate them and then encourage them. I have already brought quite a number of good athletes into the system, and hopefully, I try to encourage quite a number more into the sports. We have a lot of young boys and girls, who are standing in the street doing nothing. If we can involve them in the sports, then that's good. I would like to see, quite a number of our youngsters, especially those who have come through me, especially some of those I have trained, competing for international medals. A number of these youngsters who are participating in the sports, who are top ranked in this country. I have athletes who are ranked, top 10 in this country in various age groups, and that is a very good achievement for me.